care if you shoot me, sir.
I'm not gonna do that. Hey, no.
Shoot me, bitch.
I'm not gonna. Yo, he's.
I don't care if you shoot me.
Get over here. Get over here. Get over here. Get over here.
Give me that gun.
No. 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 Get there. Get there. Get on the floor.
They said y'all killed my kid, my baby boy.
Oh my God, what do I bother?
Late at night in Chatham County, Georgia, Officer Jason encountered Eric, a distressed traveler with a confirmed flight to New York the next day, stranded outside a terminal gate that had not yet opened for boarding. Officer Jason opened a consensual encounter, no detention, no Fourth Amendment obligations. He sat at Eric's level, used his name, and offered food, recognized crisis intervention team techniques for a subject in visible mental health distress.
Hey, buddy. Do you remember me from before?
Yeah.
You mind coming with me? We'll talk?
No, I don't care if you shoot me, sir.
I'm not going to do that. Hey, no. You got me all wrong. You got me all wrong. I just want to talk. You got me all wrong.
I want to go back there.
Well, you can't go back there. No one can go back there. The only way you're going to be able to go back there is if you wait until the proper time for your flight. You're going to New York, right?
Ain't no transportations. They layovers and stuff. They having layovers and stuff. But hey, it is what it is, man. I don't care if they, wherever they go, man. I'm trying to get to New York.
I understand. You got a ticket, right?
Huh?
You got a ticket, right?
Yeah, I got a ticket.
Yeah. So you're going to go tomorrow. You just got to wait, man. That's all. You got your ticket. I saw your ticket before. We talked before. Here, come with me. Let's talk. We're going to make sure you get to New York, all right?
I got to find my ticket.
All right. Well, let's go find it then.
I don't care anymore, man. This is whack, man. This ain't right, man.
It's not open yet. That's the problem.
This ain't nothing. The babies, man. The babies, man. The babies.
You're all right, Fred. Maybe you should just go with the nice officer.
Hey, come on. Let's talk. I ain't going to bother you, man. I just want to talk to you. That's all.
Hey, my friend, you want a snack?
It might be poison.
No.
actually in a bag.
It ain't. I appreciate it. Thank you, sir.
Don't worry. They're really good. They're little pea things.
Horrible snack, man.
They're my favorites.
Man, this is crazy, man.
I'm gonna help you out. All right. What's your first name?
Eric.
Eric. All right. My name's Jason. You can call me Officer Jason. All right.
Okay, man.
All right. I'm gonna take care of you, man. All right. So look, would you mind having a seat?
So what? How you gonna take care of me?
How am I gonna take care of you? You're trying to get to New York, right?
Yeah.
All right.
What you gonna do?
Well, listen.
No.
No.
Alligator.
No, dude. No, it ain't like that.
Shoot me.
No, man, it ain't like that at all.
Probably will.
It's not like that at all. Hey, let me ask you. Are you from New York?
I was living there the last few years.
Where, in New York City or Long Island? Where are you from?
Huh?
Where are you from? Long Island, New York City?
Yeah.
Which one?
From both of them.
Both of them? Okay. I'm from there too. So we got that in common.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So look, what time is your flight tomorrow? Did you find your ticket?
12.
12? Okay. See, right now, it's only 11:15 at night. So you got a long time before your flight. So the reason why they didn't want you to go all... Yo!
Shoot me, bitch.
I'm not gonna... Yo, he's...
I don't care if you shoot me.
Get over here. Get over here. Get over here. Get over here.
Give me that gun.
No! No! Get there! Get there! Get on the floor!
I don't want to get your taser out. That's what it's for.
Put your hands behind your back.
That stupid ass motherfucking, that stupid ass movie. Playing tricks on me and shit. Playing tricks on me with that motherfucking movie Training Day. Shit. Playing crazy shit. My favorite.
Yeah.
Y'all. That's some kind of family. That's some kind of family. That's some kind of family playing stuff, tricks on me. Y'all knew what I was gonna do from the get-go.
No, you made this happen.
I ain't made nothing happen.
Yes, you did.
Kids making that happen.
EMS around.
Start killing my kids.
43 to base. Go ahead and start me up EMS, please.
I know. Man, my computer chip, of course my eyes on pop. I only got one computer chip in the game. Family. I know what all y'all look like.
This is why this should have been dealt with on day shift.
Yep.
Man, this ain't fair, man.
Dude, just stop talking. You're getting on my nerves.
No, I don't care, man. You sucker punch me, whatever you want to do, I don't care, man.
No, you did that. You sucker punched me.
Because you touched me first.
I didn't touch you at all. We were talking.
Man, y'all killing kids.
He got you in the lip.
Yeah.
You need EMS to check you out too.
That kid, young kids, my new
Is that your stuff right there?
No, it's his snack that he threw at me before he attacked me.
That kid, my Mexican saying, and my newborn that I got with Tamika. My 2-year-old.
So he's going to have a mental evaluation.
Yeah, I know.
This ain't fair, Lord. My babies, man. Young Eve, my Mexican son from Houston, Texas. That is the second one y'all took from me. And Jeremy, and
You all right?
Yeah.
Jeremiah,
Pissed off.
what's his name? I forget, the Jay. And Jay.
You okay?
Yeah, my fucking, he knocked me.
Well, yeah, I see it. It's pretty
Teeth,
swollen
yeah.
up.
Red shit now.
I'd go get your lip checked out before we check him out.
No, you can check him out first. It's fine. We gotta deal with him first.
Right now, you're the most important thing.
I appreciate it, but
Saying that stuff.
I had it under control. He was sitting down, he was compliant.
Yeah, I saw
And
him
before,
jump up.
and before I knew it, oh, you saw it happen?
Yeah, I was running. While I was steady yelling at you, taser, taser, taser.
Yep. Yeah, I didn't even hear you. Yeah, he was sitting
that's
down,
what
we were
that taser's
talking.
for, man.
I was trying to let him know that we couldn't let him through until the check went open. He threw a snack at me, jumped up, and went
Yeah.
for the swing.
Yeah, I saw him. I was coming around. That's why I started
Yeah.
running.
Well, I sat there, I ran outside, almost knocked over a baby in her stroller. I'm pretty sure you'll see me running and almost took that baby out.
I wanted to take him down with my hands before I pulled my taser.
That taser is that's what it's for, I mean.
I know. Oh boy. Here we go.
You were playing with the wrong guy tonight, bro. You hear me? You see how fast that was? I can make it a little bit quicker next time.
Hey, should I get the leg shackles upstairs?
I got some in my car if we need them.
Okay.
I might be old and a little chubby, but I'll still put somebody on their ass real quick. You understand me? Let's stand up. Let's try that one more time. You want to be treated like a human, right? Let's keep it that way. The next time you try that, you're going to be hog-tied like an animal. Got me? So if EMS doesn't want to transport him, I'm going to need you to take him out to the hospital.
Okay.
Get him evaluated. If they say he's all good and he can be released, take him to Chatham.
Okay.
But hopefully EMS,
Take you to Chattahoochee, baby.
Chatham County Jail, where you can spend a couple of days.
I didn't do nothing like
If
I got
EMS
mental
will
health issues.
transport, you can follow them out there and just wait on the evaluation.
Okay.
If it comes back.
Playing mind tricks. Y'all
Look,
playing
I
mind
actually
Mind
need to
tricks?
call
Take a look at
folks
this.
real quick.
This is what you did. Ain't no mind tricks here. This is all happened because of you.
mind tricks with my kids. I don't know if that lady,
I don't know nothing about your kids. I didn't say nothing about your kids.
I don't know if that lady said y'all killed my kid, my baby boy.
Oh my God, what do I bother?
Watch him real good. Let me call hold you.
Said my baby, I heard a gunshot, so I still was gonna catch that flight.
You ain't catching that flight now.
When they get here, if they don't, you take him out there and I'll tell you where to go. Get him evaluated. If they release him and say he don't need to go anywhere, take him straight to Chatham.
You can't do that if you take me to the hospital. I got mental health.
You sure do.
I got mental health disease. You can't take me to jail if EMS say I could be free. That's illegal. I have a mental health issue, so why you gotta put your hand in my face?
Because
That's
I don't
what
feel like
girls do.
hearing it.
That's
I think I've already proved you I'm not a girl.
I don't care.
Let them check you out first, because they can't do an evaluation.
I have a
Okay.
At the 2:59 mark, Eric threw a snack bag, rose abruptly, and struck Officer Jason in the face, unprovoked by any command, threat, or physical contact from the officer. The assault was sudden and gave no tactical warning. Under Graham versus Connor, Supreme Court, 1989. Force is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer, at the moment, not in hindsight. The taser deployment and takedown here satisfy that standard. After restraint. Eric referenced the film Training Day as triggering a delusional episode and accused officers of a conspiracy involving his children. Indicators consistent with acute psychosis or a substance-induced mental health crisis. The International Association of Chiefs of Police recommends immediate medical evaluation when a subject shows signs of mental illness. The officers complied. EMS was summoned and a psychiatric evaluation was ordered before any transport to jail. Officer Jason sustained a split lip. Officer Jake a potentially loosened tooth. Despite both injuries, neither officer struck Eric after the takedown force ceased upon restraint, consistent with Fourth and Eighth Amendment proportionality. The supervisor's hog-tied like an animal remark crossed professional standards. Officer language during use of force can reveal intent and expose a department to liability. Courts have recognized this risk toward subjects in mental health crisis. Eric claimed mental health issues and argued he could not be jailed. The officers applied Georgia's two-step protocol, psychiatric evaluation at hospital first, then booking at Chatham County Jail. Legally sound and clinically appropriate. That approach aligns with the Sequential Intercept Model, a national framework for diverting individuals with mental illness away from incarceration at the earliest point, routing them into clinical care rather than the criminal justice system. Eric was charged with aggravated battery on a law enforcement officer and resisting arrest. Under Georgia Code Section 16-5-24, battery on a police officer carries a mandatory minimum sentence of 5 years. Whether Eric's condition constituted a legal defense or grounds for competency evaluation under Georgia Code Section 17-7-130 remains unresolved. No final case outcome was available through public sources.
Hey, fellas. What's up? There's a mental health subject. Whacked me in the face pretty good.
Okay.
Said if you guys just check on my lip and should.
Alright.
Knock my teeth. I don't know. I gotta check my teeth out or something like that. I don't know.
Alright, well, you want to, like, hold your gum up
Yeah,
like
yeah,
this?
sure.
Your tooth's still there.
Yeah. No, I know it's still there, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, I'm not going to, like, wiggle your tooth or anything.
Yeah, that's fine.
Does it feel like,
Feel loose?
yeah. Does it feel
No,
loose?
it's
You lose
just like-
consciousness?
No, nothing like that.
Okay.
It just split my lip, I'm sure.
Well, EMS is going to come.
Yeah. Okay.
Is there anything you want us to do? Okay.
No.
Simple enough.
Yeah.
How about this guy? Is the other guy that,
Yeah, you hit me in the face.
is he need checking out?
Hey, I'm all right. Does he need to be checked out? I pulled my taser on him, but I didn't hit him.
EMS
Yeah.
is going to have to either transport him or we going to have to. He needs a psych eval.
Okay, well, EMS probably ain't going to transport him if he need, I mean, are y'all,
Yeah, we're
they
going to
don't
let them make that.
transport at 1013, so they're,
We'll get with them when they get here. If they want, then they won't, and we'll take him. So
yeah,
either way, our policy, we got to call them.
I got you. Okay, well, I'm not messing with him.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
Yeah. He's highly
do
agitated.
you want us to get your vitals or anything? Or?
Nah, I don't think that's necessary. I mean, unless that you guys are professionals, not me.
I mean, you look fine, but
Yeah.
it's up to you.
It's just the pain in my mouth.
Officer Jason receives an A. His de-escalation was patient and legally sound throughout. Force was proportional and ceased upon restraint. Minor deductions. No clear withdrawal path as Eric escalated, and backup was not requested before the assault. Eric receives a D. The assault was unprovoked by any unlawful command or rights violation. The D, rather than F, reflects the evident mental health crisis. Legal culpability and moral culpability are not identical, and this analysis acknowledges that. The supervising officer receives a B-. Routing Eric through evaluation before jail was sound. The deduction is for dehumanizing language that in a different context could form the basis of a civil rights claim under Section 1983. Lesson 1. De-escalation is not a guarantee. Officer Jason ran a near-textbook encounter and was still assaulted. Proactive positioning, maintaining an exit path, and calling backup before deterioration is part of crisis response, not optional. Lesson 2. Mental health crises demand systemic infrastructure. One officer cannot substitute for a co-responder model, pairing law enforcement with a clinician. Public spaces without dedicated crisis teams place disproportionate risk on all parties. The outcome here was legally justifiable. But the system that left one man alone in an airport at midnight, spiraling without any support, had already failed long before Officer Jason arrived, and no use of force standard addresses that failure.